Chicago, the Windy City. A metropolis that rises proudly from the shores of Lake Michigan, its skyline a jagged silhouette against the vast expanse of water. Known for its blustery winds that whip off the lake, Chicago's nickname speaks to the city's energetic spirit. But beyond the wind, Chicago possesses a different kind of force, a captivating allure that draws visitors and residents alike. It is a city of architectural wonders, a testament to human ingenuity and artistic vision. From its soaring skyscrapers to its charming neighborhoods, Chicago is a city best explored on foot. A stroll through its streets reveals a captivating blend of architectural styles, a reflection of the city's rich history and ever-evolving identity. From the ashes of the Great Chicago Fire of 1871 rose a new Chicago, a city reborn with an unwavering spirit of innovation and a commitment to architectural grandeur. With each passing decade, Chicago reaffirms its position as a global architectural powerhouse, a city where the past and present converge to shape the future of design. Dominating the Chicago skyline is a collection of buildings as recognizable as any in the world. The Willis Tower, once the tallest building on Earth, pierces the sky with its stark black facade. Its sky deck, a glass-bottomed observation deck, offers breathtaking views that stretch for miles, showcasing the city's sprawling grid system and the vastness of Lake Michigan. Not far away, the John Hancock Center with its distinctive X-braced exterior stands as another symbol of Chicago's architectural prowess. But Chicago's architectural heritage extends far beyond these modern giants. The city was a cradle of architectural innovation in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a time when visionaries like Frank Lloyd Wright reshaped the American landscape. Oak Park, a short train ride from downtown, is home to a treasure trove of Wright's residential masterpieces, including his own home and studio. These structures reflect Wright's belief that buildings should be in harmony with their surroundings. Each building tells a story, a chapter in the ongoing narrative of Chicago's architectural evolution. In the heart of downtown Chicago, nestled amidst the towering skyscrapers, lies a different kind of architectural wonder: Millennium Park. This 24.5-acre green space is a testament to the city's commitment to public art and urban renewal. Completed in 2004, Millennium Park quickly became one of Chicago's most popular destinations, a vibrant hub for cultural events, outdoor concerts, and leisurely strolls. Its iconic sculptures, including the Cloud Gate and the Crown Fountain, have become synonymous with the city itself, drawing visitors from all over the world. Cloud Gate, affectionately known as the Bean, is a 110-ton elliptical sculpture made of polished stainless steel. Designed by British artist Anish Kapoor, the sculpture's reflective surface distorts the surrounding cityscape, creating a surreal experience for viewers. Adjacent to Cloud Gate is the Crown Fountain, a whimsical and interactive work of art designed by Catalan artist Jaume Plensa. The fountain's LED screens display the faces of Chicago residents, creating the illusion of the faces spitting water into the pool below. Winding its way through the heart of downtown, the Chicago River was once a bustling industrial waterway. Today it has been transformed into a vibrant pedestrian promenade, offering stunning views of the city's architecture and a unique perspective on Chicago's urban landscape. The Chicago Riverwalk, a 1.25-mile path along the river's edge, is a testament to the city's commitment to public space and urban revitalization. Lined with cafes, restaurants, and public art installations, the Riverwalk is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Visitors can stroll along the water's edge, enjoying the sights and sounds of the city from a different vantage point. Kayakers and paddleboarders glide along the river, their colorful vessels adding to the vibrant tapestry of the waterway. Tour boats cruise up and down the river, offering a unique perspective on the city's iconic landmarks. The Riverwalk also offers a unique opportunity to experience the city's architectural diversity up close. No visit to Chicago is complete without experiencing its breathtaking lakefront. Stretching for 28 miles along the shores of Lake Michigan, Chicago's lakefront is a testament to the city's commitment to public space and recreation. A ribbon of green that runs the length of the city, the lakefront is home to beaches, parks, museums, and cultural attractions, offering something for everyone. On sunny days, Chicagoans flock to the lakefront's sandy beaches, seeking refuge from the city's heat and enjoying the cool breezes off the lake. Families build sand castles, children splash in the shallows and sunbathers soak up the rays. Beyond the beaches, the lakefront is home to a string of parks, each with its own unique character and charm. Lincoln Park, one of the city's largest parks, is home to the Lincoln Park Zoo, the Peggy Notebaert Nature Museum, and the Chicago History Museum. No exploration of Chicago would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights, and no Chicago food is more iconic than deep dish pizza. This hearty, cheesy creation is a true Chicago original, a testament to the city's love affair with all things bold and flavorful. Unlike its thin crust counterpart, deep dish pizza is baked in a round, deep pan, allowing for a thick layer of toppings to be piled on top of the crust. The result is a pizza that is more like a pie, with a crispy crust, a rich flavorful sauce, and an abundance of cheese and toppings. While deep dish pizza may be Chicago's most famous culinary export, the city's food scene is as diverse and dynamic as its population. From Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy neighborhood eateries, Chicago offers a world of culinary experiences. For those seeking a taste of Chicago's immigrant heritage, neighborhoods like Chinatown, Little Italy and Greektown offer a chance to sample authentic cuisines from around the world. Chicago's food is as much a part of its identity as its architecture, its music, and its people. Chicago's central location in the heart of the United States has long made it a vital transportation hub. From its early days as a trading post on the banks of the Chicago River, the city has played a pivotal role in connecting the East Coast to the West Coast and points in between. Today, Chicago is home to one of the busiest airports in the world, O'Hare International Airport, and is a major hub for both passenger and freight rail traffic. The city's extensive public transportation system, anchored by the iconic L train, makes it easy to navigate Chicago without a car. The L's elevated tracks wind their way through the city, offering a unique perspective on Chicago's neighborhoods and architectural landmarks. Chicago's role as a transportation hub has shaped its character in countless ways, fostering a spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship.